everyone! Today we are going to learn about adverb of frequency with me, Asra Fadira. What is an adverb of frequency? Before that, have you ever heard the words always, usually, sometimes, or never when listening to songs or watching movies? All of them are adverb of frequency in English. Semuanya adalah kata keterangan frekuensi dalam bahasa Inggris. Now let's listen what is adverb of frequency
to
and
the
adverb of
explanation.
frequency is
Sekarang mari kita simak
so
penjelasannya
how
dengan
often an
baik.
activity or an event happens. Seberapa sering suatu kegiatan atau peristiwa terjadi. It is usually used with the present simple tense because it describes habits or routines. Menjelaskan kebiasaan atau rutinitas. Actually, there are many adverbs of frequency, but in this lesson we will only learn 4 of them. Always, sometimes, usually, and never. Now, let's see how each of them is used. Sekarang mari kita lihat bagaimana masing-masing digunakan. Always. The first adverb is always, which means selalu. This adverb is used to describe an event or action that happens very often or 100% of the time, sesuatu yang terjadi sangat sering atau selalu terjadi. For example, I always study every day. Saya selalu belajar setiap hari. She is always careful. Dia selalu ceria. So when we ask always, it means the activity happens all the time. Kegiatan itu terjadi setiap saat tanpa pengecualian. The second adverb is sometimes, which means kadang-kadang. We add sometimes to describe an event or activity that happens about 50% of the time, sekitar 50% dari waktu. For example, he sometimes play football in the afternoon. Dia kadang-kadang bermain sepak bola di sore hari. I sometimes watch movies on weekends. Saya kadang-kadang menonton film di akhir pekan. So sometimes is used when an activity does not happen every day, but it happens from time to time. Terjadi sesekali, tidak setiap hari. Usually. This third adverb is usually, which means biasanya. We use usually to describe an event or activity that happens often, but not always. Sering terjadi tapi tidak setiap hari. It shows a frequency that is lower than always, but higher than sometimes. Frekuensinya lebih rendah dari selalu, tetapi lebih tinggi dari kadang-kadang. For example, I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. Saya biasanya bangun jam 6 pagi. My mother usually cooks in the morning. Ibu saya biasanya memasak di pagi hari. So when we ask usually, it means something happens most of the time, sesuatu yang terjadi hampir setiap hari atau secara rutin. Never. The fourth adverb is never, which means tidak pernah. We use never to describe an event or activity that does not happen at all. Tidak pernah terjadi sama sekali. It shows a frequency of 0%. Happens. Something that never happens. For example, I never play during the day. Saya tidak pernah bermain di siang hari. She never eat spicy food. Dia tidak pernah makan makanan pedas. So when we ask never, it means that the action does not happen at any time. Kegiatan itu sama sekali tidak pernah dilakukan. So to ask adverb of frequency pattern 1. There are 3 ways to ask adverb of frequency in sentences. Ada 3 cara menggunakan adverb of frequency dalam kalimat. The first pattern is when the sentence has a verb kata kerja, the structure is subject plus adverb of frequency plus verb. For example, I always study every day. Saya selalu belajar setiap hari. I never play during the day. Saya tidak pernah bermain di siang hari. So remember, if 3 is a verb in the sentence, the adverb of frequency comes before the verb diletakkan sebelum kata kerja. How to ask adverb of frequency pattern 2. The second pattern is when the sentence does not have a verb, tidak memiliki kata kerja. In this case, we ask the verb to be such as am, is, are before the adverb of frequency. So the structure is subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency. For example, he is sometimes in the park. Dia kadang-kadang berada di taman. Sometimes sweep the yard. Kadang-kadang menyapu halaman. Remember, when 3 is no main verb in the sentence, we ask to be before the adverb of frequency diletakkan sebelum adverb. How to ask adverb of frequency pattern 3. The third way to ask adverb of frequency is about their position. Posisi dalam kalimat. Adverb of frequency can be placed either at the beginning, di awal kalimat, or at the end, di akhir kalimat. For emphasis, penekanan. When the adverb is placed at the beginning of a sentence, the structure is adverb of frequency plus subject plus verb. For example, mom usually cooks in the morning. Biasanya ibu memasak di pagi hari. When the adverb is placed at the end of a sentence, the structure becomes subject plus verb plus adverb of frequency. For example, we go on family holidays sometimes. Kami pergi liburan keluarga kadang-kadang. So remember, you can put adverb of frequency at the beginning or at the end of a sentence to give emphasis, penekanan. Other adverb of frequency. Apart from always, sometimes, usually, and never, there are also other words that are adverb of frequency. Kata keterangan frekuensi lainnya, they are often, frequently, sering, rarely, jarang, occasionally, once in a while, sesekali, seldom, jarang sekali, hardly ever, almost never, hampir tidak pernah. Other adverb of frequency. Position of adverb of frequency. Now let's see where we can put adverb of frequency in a sentence. Posisi adverb dalam kalimat. There are 3 possible positions. 1. Before the main verb, sebelum kata kerja utama. Example, I often read books. Saya sering membaca buku. 2. After, to be, setelah I'm, is, are. Example, she is always cheerful. Dia selalu ceria. 3. At the beginning or at the end of a sentence for emphasis, penekanan. Example, sometimes I play football. Kadang-kadang saya bermain sepak bola. I play football sometimes. Saya bermain sepak bola kadang-kadang. So the adverb position can change depending on what you want to express it. The adverb of frequency with modal verb and auxiliary verb. adverb of frequency are also used with modal verb kata kerja bantu seperti can, must, should, and auxiliary verb kata kerja bantu tambahan. When used with modal verb, the adverb is placed after the modal verb and before the main verb, setelah modal verb dan sebelum kata kerja utama. For example, you must always try your best. Kamu harus selalu berusaha yang terbaik. We can usually find a seat on your train. Kami biasanya dapat menemukan tempat duduk di kereta kami. They should never be rude to customer. Mereka tidak boleh pernah bersikap kasar kepada pelanggan. So remember this special possession for modal verb. Adverb of frequency with auxiliary verb. This same rule applies. Aturan yang sama berlaku to auxiliary verb. The adverb of frequency is placed between the auxiliary verb and the main verb di antara auxiliary verb dan kata kerja utama. For example, I have never visited Turkey. Saya tidak pernah mengunjungi Turki. He is always taking things from my desk. It's really annoying. Dia selalu mengambil barang dari mejaku, itu benar-benar menyebalkan. You had really arrived late work until yesterday. Kamu jarang sekali datang terlambat ke tempat kerja sampai kemarin. Adverb of frequency with to be. If the sentence uses the verb to be, then the adverb of frequency must come after to be setelah kata kerja to be. For example, I am always ready. Saya selalu siap. She is never late. Dia tidak pernah terlambat. They are usually on time. Mereka biasanya tepat waktu. This is a very important rule to remember. Here are some mistakes that often occur in writing sentences with adverb of frequency. Kesalahan umum dalam menulis kalimat dengan adverb of frequency. One, placing the adverb after the object. No, I eat breakfast always. Correct, I always eat breakfast. 2. Using to adverb or frequency at lunch. No, I always usually study. 3. Putting the adverb before to be. No, always I'm happy. Correct, I'm always happy. So be careful where you place the adverb. To ask question about frequency, we usually ask how often, seberapa sering. For example, how often do you watch films? Seberapa sering kamu menonton film? How often do he play tennis? Seberapa sering dia bermain tenis? How often do the trains arrive late? Seberapa sering kereta datang terlambat? However, we can also make direct question, pertanyaan langsung using adverb of frequency. For example, do you often come here? Apakah kamu sering datang ke sini? Do she always work so hard? Apakah dia selalu bekerja begitu keras? Do they ever pay on time? Apakah mereka pernah membayar tepat waktu? Remember, in a question, ask ever, not never. Summary and conclusion. The adverb of frequency is also to express how often an activity is carried out. Seberapa sering suatu kegiatan dilakukan, usually also in the present simple tense. General patterns: subject plus adverb plus verb, subject plus to be plus adverb. Example words: always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. As only, one, sentence. In conclusion, kesimpulannya, adverb or frequency help us describe our habits, kebiasaan, and rutinitas in daily life. Any question? That's all about adverb or frequency. Do you have any question? Apakah ada pertanyaan? Thank you for listening. Terima kasih telah mendengarkan. I hope you understand this topic well. Saya harap kalian mengerti materi ini dengan baik. Have a nice day everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.